With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The diameter of the top of a fire brigade pump is 5 cm. Water is thrown by this pump at a horizontal speed of 18 meter per second on a wall. If water rebounds back from the wall, then the force exerted by water on the wall will be. So, force is given by change in momentum upon time. Now let's say the initial momentum with which the water hits the wall is mv. So let's say this is your wall. If this is your wall, then water is hitting it with some momentum mv, and if it is rebounding, then the momentum afterwards will be m into minus of v, that is minus mv. So the change in momentum is final momentum minus initial momentum. So mv minus mv upon time t, that is equal to 2mv by t. Now mass can be written as rho into volume. So rho into v into velocity. Now density of water is almost 1000 kilogram per meter cube into volume into velocity of water. It is given to us 18 meter per second divided by time. Let's mark it as equation number 1. Now velocity can be written as length per unit time, and volume can be written as area into length. So volume per unit time can be written as area into length per unit time, which means area, and here length per unit time can be written as velocity. So volume per unit time can be written as area into velocity. Now the area of the fire brigade pump would be pi r square, and the radius is given to us, meaning diameter is given to us, so radius will be 5 by 2 centimeters. So the area becomes pi into 5 by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 to convert it into meter, and squared into the velocity, which is given as 18 meter per second. So pi into 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2 squared into 18, which is equal to 0.0353. Now let's put these values into equation number 1. So we get force is equal to 2 into 1000, that is the density, into volume upon time can be written as volume upon time we just found out, that is 0.0353 into 18, that is the velocity. So multiplied by 18, that gives us 1272 Newton, since all the units that we used were converted into SI units. So that equals to 1272 into 10 raised to power 5 dynes, which is equal to 12.72 into 10 raised to power 7 dynes. That is option number D.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.